Alright, we're back. So this one here doesn't want to come out. So I tried putting a little brake cleaner in there and then I'm blowing on it here. I'm going to put a rubber tip on it so I get more pressure. This has a rubber tip on the nozzle so you can push directly on a hole and seal it. So all the air pressure actually does do something. Now this will shoot across the room unless you wrap it in a towel or put it around something where it doesn't blow around. Make sure you move your clip so you don't lose it. Try to make sure I don't lose this thing. There we go, you hear it pop. I heard it pop, but it's still in there. I don't know what the popping noise was because it's still in there. There it goes. So this plunger here is on the tight side. So this might be the one that I hand fitted. So it's definitely tight. Feel for grit. It's a little bit of, I felt a little small off the side there, but nothing else. I'm going to pick that up and touching the rag though. Or the dirty air nozzle. Do a bunch of handling. You got to make sure your fingers are clean before you check stuff. It's a big piece of grit way up in here, but like I said, that might have been from the rag. But I get a couple more pieces of grit. Okay, I'm feeling some grit on this one. See that big black piece right there? My nail right there, I don't know if you can see it. A couple more pieces in there. Clean my hand off real good this time. Don't feel anything. Do it again. Not feeling anything. I mean, I'm a little already off, I don't know. Almost dropped it. Nothing there. So the problem we're having with this is that the piston's a little bit tight for the bore. There's a lifter. Or it had a piece of grit in there. Feel anything? So this is probably the other lifter that was a problem. So we had two in the front cylinder. I know this was on the front cylinder because that's where the problem was initially. And the tight lifter. Okay. Do the spring. Not blinding now. Now getting here to work.
Is that the S&S one?
No. Is your bike apart?
That's right there in there. These are the
Crane.
cranes.
So this one was stuck in the bore.
It was?
Didn't want to come out. Had a really big piece of black junk that came out. It was on a rag, I'm not sure which.
Out of the bore?
It was on my hand after I touched the rag. Got it apart. I didn't have a good chain of custody where it came from. And there's one big black chunk that I showed in the video, and then there was 3 or 4 little ones I could feel. They were pretty good size. So now it's good and clean. So I think maybe the chunk got stuck in this one a little bit. It was stuck all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
But it's nice and free. Remember we had that one that was a tight bore. I had to go. We changed out the lifter, I think, didn't we? The whole lifter.
Yeah. Well, we put new.
Oh, you mixed those up for me. So where's the one that was on the right?
Oh fuck!
Why did you fuck with my stuff?
I didn't know.
Do you think maybe I do things for certain reasons? When dumbass sees one off the side and 2 right together. So which one do you think was all the way to the right?
This one.
Okay, put it back on the right side over there.
That's the left side. You want this side?
I went on the right side. Do you understand what right is from left?
Right there.
How old are you?
95.
Do you know what side right and left is?
Yep.
Perfect. Good.
Right there.
Okay, that one was full of fine grit like sand.
Really?
Yes. That was the first one I took apart. It was very, very gritty on my hand. Very gritty. So that explained why it was coming and going.
Wow, I thought it was going to be that one that was coming in.
This one here had a real big piece of chunk of crap in there. And so that might have been a reason for it.
Damn.
The other 2 were perfectly clean and no issues.
Now where could the grit come from?
Now, somebody mixed up my lifters over there. I don't know, not naming anybody, named Joe. Oh, excuse me. They were separated over there until you mixed them. So that would explain.
How many have you cleaned out so far?
This would be, how many you got over there?
That's 2 or that's 4?
How many you have over there?
3.
Oh.
That's number 4?
Are they full of blue shit?
I don't see any yet.
So that maybe means I might have worked on them.
Yeah.
See, sometimes the questions are self-answering.
Where would the sand come from? This one, the wear marks on it.
I think you put it in the motor to sabotage the job, so it makes me look like I'm selling you bad parts.
This one's got a lot of wear on it.
I don't know about where it's got a little bit of
I mean,
market, you know.
compared to the others.
Well, it is what it is. Now, here's the little ball in here. See the little ball up in there? And so you can see the ball right there, too.
Yeah.
You take your official tool here, and see how the ball moves?
Yeah.
See it in there?
Yes.
So
Does that control the oil flow?
that is what controls the oil flow. That is a check valve. It's a ball check valve.
So
So to pre-lube it, see how you stick it in here. And you go like this a couple times
I'm going to suck some up in there.
until the gear lube gets in there, because I didn't have any motor all the way around. And then it's pre-lubed.
That's how you do it, huh?
That's how I'm doing it.
Bench bleed.
Bench bleed. And that goes like that. And remember, don't forget to demagnetize it. Again.
You got stuck with, from the tools last night? From somewhere, huh?
See that thing sticking right there?
That one. Yeah.
That thing right there?
Oh, you just have to pull parts out?
What do you think that is?
Pull the sub pistons out? and
There
stuff?
you go. He's getting it. You're starting to catch on now there.
It's only taken me 62 years.
There you go. It's a genuine lifter installation tool over here.
Yeah.
The clip was laying right there. Dull, sharp. You know the difference?
Dull and sharp? No.
One side's dull, one side sharp.
Is that the how they punch them out?
Yep.
And the dull side goes. I mean, the sharp side goes up.
Yep. Okay.
You want me to do the disassembly on it today?
So put that all the way on the right side over there. All the way to the right.
All
Don't
the way
mix
to
them.
the right.
Don't mix them. So what's the procedure right now?
Don't mix them.
That's all the way to the right.
Right?
That's on the right. These are left.
Okay. Does that mean
What's our hardest block to get in and out?
number 3?
The rear one.
Those are the rears?
Those are going in the rear.
Okay.
Okay, that was our worst one because it had the most grit in it.
Okay.
We'll
What
put
the
that.
hell is it?
We'll put that on the exhaust valve. That's
Okay.
going to be the intake valve.
Cool.
I'd rather have an exhaust valve sticking open and an intake sticking open and backfiring through the carburetor.
Okay. You want me to disassemble it right now?
Well, I moved the truck for you out there.
See, I've got some more room.
We got more room now. The shop smells like there's a stinky ass
Want
oily
to back
bike in
sideways
there.
again, right?
Yeah, I would clean our work area off a little bit. See that piece of metal laying right there? I would probably get rid of that.
This?
Yeah, I don't want that inside the lifters. What is that?
It's aluminum.
It's your nose ring?
Moving off of something. It's not my nose ring.
Okay, look, I'm gonna clean the driveway here for you. Okay. Driveway's clean.
Throw this in the trash.
Yeah, trash can's right there. All right, I'd back it up around there. What happened to the sun? You kill it?
We went a little while ago.
All right, we're gonna get ready to do some work.